How to manage your money or your finances like the 1%. To be in the 1%, you need to have a net worth of anywhere that you fall into under this chart, and this is by age. So if you're between the ages of 18 and 24, then you need a net worth of over $435,000 to be in the top 1% of wealthy people. If you're 25 to 29, then this moves to 600,000, and as you get older, this keeps going up. Now, when compared to the average net worth by age, you can see that the average person has way less per age than what the people in the 1% have. So today, we're going to talk about what the people in the 1% do differently so you can copy the strategy and manage your money and finances just as good as they do it. Now, comment below and tell me this, right? Do you currently manage your money well, or do you think you need to improve on your money management skills? Comment below and let me know. Also, a very quick reminder here, if you're new to this channel and you're watching this video or seeing me for the very first time, my name is Ian, and I post videos here on YouTube every single day on topics related to making money and personal finance. So if you'd like to see more of these videos, then give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on all the notifications. And that way you'll be able to get the updates every day when I post a new video here. Now, the first thing that you need to do to manage your money like the 1% is really simple. It's knowing what your money does. What does your money do? The normal way, which shouldn't be normal, is to earn money, make sure you earn more than what you spend, and then forget about the rest. But the 1% don't do this. They know where their money goes. This is as simple as tracking your expenses for a few weeks to see where your money is going. If you know where your money goes, then you can move it to where you want it to go, or if it's already going in the right places, then you can keep it that way. Now, most people who live paycheck to paycheck aren't actually earning minimum wage or less than minimum wage. They just simply spend without knowing where their money is going. Some people don't even know how much money they make per week or per month. They have an idea, or maybe they think they have an idea, but most people who live paycheck to paycheck only see what's on their current paycheck. If you ask them what they earn in a year, they'll have to think for a while. Now, I explained this in details in other videos about how to break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, and I explained that this was very easy and the steps are easy, but creating the good habits are hard. So I'll leave links here to some of those videos about how you can create a budget and how you can track your income and expenses. And you can watch those videos if you haven't already done that. But this is the first step to managing your money like the 1%. Now, let's say you already have a budget, or you at least know where your money is going and you know how much money you make. The next step is to stay out of debt, but just not any debt. Stay out of bad debts. So you have good debts and you have bad debts. Bad debts are debts that you take to get things that you want and things that will depreciate or lose value. Good debts are things you go in debt for, but they make you more money or they increase your net worth. So purchasing a new car or maxing out your credit card to buy clothes when you really can't afford it is a bad debt and a very bad idea. Using credit as leverage to invest, or purchasing an investment property, or starting a business with a loan or some form of credit would be considered as good debt, because although you borrowed money and you'll still be paying interest, the money that you'll make from the borrowed money will make you even more money, where you can pay off that debt and still profit. And also, I encourage everyone to take on good debts, but before you take on good debts, ensure that what you're doing will actually make you money and profit. So you don't use debt to start a business, or don't use debt to start a business unless you're sure or almost certain that you'll make that money back. So for example, if you start a blog and your blog generates $100 per day, and you want to improve the blog and create more content and monetize that blog more, then it would be a good idea then to use a credit card and invest $1,000 or $5,000 or whatever amount of money it is that you need, because this already makes you money, and so you know, or you have a very good chance of avoiding failure with this debt. So don't just think about some business ideas and then go straight into debt to start them. Now, the third step here is to invest. Everyone in the top 1% are investors. They may not all be in the stock market, but they're all investing in something. However, the stock market is a very good place to invest, and it's really easy to get in now, and so you want to be investing some of your money. However, we don't want to just invest random amounts of money here and there. Instead, you want to consistently invest money. So for example, use your budget and allocate some money regularly to your investments. This can be a fixed amount of money or a percentage of your earnings if your earnings fluctuate month to month. So for example, you could commit to investing 20% of your earnings each month. And if you're going to invest in the stock market, then I would recommend M1 Finance, and I'll leave a link below to it. And there you can set automatic deposits to your investments each week or bi-weekly or even monthly. This way, it's a fully automated process. And once you set this up, you won't have to remember to invest regularly. It will be done for you. So this is step 3, and all these steps are easy steps. Doing them consistently for a long time is where it gets hard, but you can pull this off if you really want to. Now, the final step here is to create several streams of income. So there is no set amount of streams to create, but the average millionaire has about 7 streams of income, and the top 1% all have multiple income streams. They'll have stocks, real estate, multiple businesses, and even full-time jobs. So this can be as simple as creating an online business or starting some passive income stream like affiliate marketing, for example, both of which are easy and you have endless options. If you haven't already watched the videos in my playlist on making money, then I'll leave a link to that here. And there you'll find 70 and counting videos on ways to make money, and most of them will require very little investment. So without making this video too long, these are 4 simple but very effective steps to take if you want to manage your money like the 1%. Track your money, know how much money you make and how much money you spend, and use your money for things that you actually want. Secondly, remove all bad debts and never go into bad debts again. Don't run your credit cards up for wants, and if it doesn't make you any money and it depreciates in value, then don't use debt to purchase it. It's a very, very bad deal. However, still use good debts to make you more money. Thirdly, always invest, consistently invest a set amount of your income every week or every month in something that will yield you good returns. And the final step was create multiple streams of income so you can have more money to spend, more money to invest, and more money to enjoy. Comment below and let me know if you are already managing your money like the 1%, and if not, now you know what to do. As always, I hope this video helps you and you found this content valuable. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like the content. I really appreciate it. Subscribe and hit the notification icon so you can get the updates every day when I post new videos here. Check all the links down below for free and helpful stuff, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.